Abusa from Mamunya Makwaba the Ghana and same TV so. But one more the super like video no best subscribe to the channel no watch your thoughts that they be a mechano channel na mona modi and mafia sembesumo. Once again I am called Mr. President to whom in Africa Mr. Major so if by chance the video near friend episode contribute to your studio no so gift be our may be is accepted into reach out in here and sabekania da wasin so. Me patros says you call lower menya. I also may see lower menya neno. In fact I are also papa. Lower menya. Na se ka lower menya obia onim politics bi nse lower menya de ye nnuanum endis for mo stronghold pa no. Lower menya. In so mo stronghold pa no. Now more of government hospital wo. Ati for so call lower menya government hospital your friend Atua government hospital. A hospital kesia MPP for about power and friend dia cry we make sure say be more new and enough equipment on be adwuma. Now I say ka Atua government hospital it didn't crash to tell you say small government hospital. Nene dey amino kase for a full day Dumsor na esi hospital. Hospital are painful and da ho. Hospital emergency cases e wo honom. Hospital in for yari serious diseases ya jijo mato ho no pepa to Dumsor na esi wo. Naira health minister. You see, in any serious country, we wouldn't go and appoint someone who doesn't have a background of health or who doesn't have any health background to come and be a health minister. To Emma men on Median Seni Mame, Obo Council. In any serious country, what makes him qualified to even be a health minister? That's my first question. What makes him qualify to be a health minister? He doesn't know how to communicate. He doesn't understand how the system operates. He doesn't know. And what's what one OD post no. Me, I'm tempted to believe say they are just ceremonial ministers. Scandinavian na yomode. Omunya djuma papa bia. Camera na nimba na yomofe. When they see camera, they no omo tell omo say pra no mundo omonye. But the reality and the issues on grounds, they are not even ready to tackle those issues. You see, you can decide to disagree with me. But no kwase mo say sabri se ka wo yire. O maame. Unua baby na unua be maybe na serious emergency case aba and wo Atua hospital, government hospital, e wo lower menya. Me pa so kabeti ya wana ye komu sisi ya. Obeti ase. Boni be na Ghana fwaye. Boni be na Ghana fwaye. Omaya no bed syndrome ajimu atisi. Omaya se bibi ye na wu kra obekọ hospital kra bed kra bed so kra wunya bi na so. Omaya we ye omaya se bi yetine mbobra. Yira mahama Kenya ho na we de enim gu asesem. Se yin enim Nigeria 14 nsem we ombesere yin. No kra pa na meka kire wo no. Yira mama mistake awo ye ne se omo metwe ho hye nyina ye talkatives. Omo kasa too much bo mu ni madwuma ne ye. E ba ne se na whole government hospital. Omo ni plant. Omo ni generator. It's emergency unit. If a light in Dumio, let us be a undergo surgery and Nipan obewu and obey then obey that survive. 24 hours. 24 hours, 24 solid hours, light in you. For 24 solid hours, light in you. Boneba na Ghana for ye. A deba de pa na Ghana for the year John Dramani Mahamani na Manyuku. Say you are so by so with years car with a can of crunch. Next will be you be as a crampa. Low menya for domina and this for. Era mam maybe now on your way. Quando voting in Ubu who say low menya for to a banimo boom come with me and this for strong. It is a Santafona Saudi side you be do or more. Sabi saying Crafona decide you be do or more. Say Central Region for this side you be do or more. Sabi and Kenya votarians and a lower menya for. Yera mahama me pacho buy mame one the developmental project away e health sector ba ko pe me pe ndis ni ba ko beti maka say Yera John Dramani Mahama na mamu ni ba so no ade we e na why health center onye bi da wo onye hu ye wo kromu ha e na nkofo de car ekonya accident serious accident issues no kwase mo so mo ko hospitals makoma 4 mo so mo ni bed to mo hwe ma ni pani wi Ghana this current century and in Guasembe no abofon be sembe no you mama me de me bu papa the greatest of all respect Ministers now appoint you no. They don't know their work. They don't know how to do their job right. They don't have what it takes to even be ministers to serve this state. Minister of Health, Deputy Minister of Health, they are just useless and baseless. Sorry for my words, but I have to use these words because the way any pankwa. So say lower menyafu, woman who and as bibi your money be bonny your ma, Papa Chombenya hoarding at the 2028 at Betty or your Mahama. Those people they are going to vote against you. No correct. Because how Romunian artists say, Sir, partisan politics made them NDC in intimidate, NDC BBA, Bonnie Crumpubana mediation. You say, Omun no mujai, or money be or who no may cost Yura. A Beban say, and name many be a bay. Not lower men your fatwa, but boom boom the amount. Oh, by which am I fit? Bear the crown to mean to be go. What am I fit? Sabi Milo crown to mean to be called from a from war. Health Minister. It's been 24 hours and not a single step or a single attempt has been made. And him go as same say, hey, Health Minister, shame on you, Papa, shame on you. Say. I don't care about the deduction you people are going to make from this. We end this in your phone. Data men found say Ghana found the sumo and this amen you can say MPP man you could me MPP ni mijitum. Name say NDC for ya Diana say nya and not just me MPP ni make come on to marry him me de meka. I didn't never to Abama. Ye bedi lie so how much low man for one of the loyal NDC members me who be that. Na me tia se mo afida me so no kro buchem obi yire obi ma obi nya accident abro the emergency unit ye ne surgery dum like 24 hours ni plant ni ho nipa ne be da survive and mo kase ye nya de yenke anu ntum culture of silence ensi wo hada Ghana nsem TV de be hwe ni ka ne kone de akere wo ko ye som ye manfo me pacho comment section ho ma wo kire wo so adwen for the video mo bia hunu kwan boni aye rajon dramani mahama ene na menye komode yen fa so on ye omo hye yen ene ye omo hye Ghana fo let's say only mountain call Atua government hospital so ko be because how the ye wa wo sabo say Dumsor fon oba ne beba no Dumsor baby na chere say wo ba Atua hospital a ke hu sakran de sumase no manko ano no be ye o ade e fe ne han mo ade untimi nye bida de bie sum be wa kra ne tiri because Dumsor na kra ne be wo no. Now this is a very strong message to my good people of Lower Menya. Said the my so lawyer dem NDC no me pa cho mun kire ma de pote ana de papa ba ko a yera John Dramani Mahama on na manyo koma ya mamoda omo ba ye afie twam boso me you know say me ensa na ye komu after me pa cho e de no ma ya mamu ade papa ba pa nanti yera John Dramani Mahama o ma ye de ma Lower Menya fo. Said the politics is about loyalty. Say the most for you yam assume NDC me quite told them many ajamam say the moye lawyer na ye many jamam kweke mitu chamam nemum say the mutimi makumum e de 7 year John Dramani Mahama na yet ade papa bi na otimi ye de mamu no me pa cho emra so say mo sa mo adwen na mo be join the New Patriotic Party emra so say mo someone sa na mo che John Dramani Mahama say bi munye robot munye zombies musum ye nipa mo atenka ne bi musum mutimi dwen mamu ho. If say John Dramani who say mo dem loyal to him it is so anya hwe amamo krampa obdu won oba mo na samba to abama no Lower Menya constituency afi we de monsa kira mo adwen anya say ya na be ko no because imagine say wo free Lower Menya wo no yira tena na mo peba na munya bi na awurade ahira mo yefno mo basabri na ene de na wo aka wo yire na wo yire wa wo mpaso na afi wo chim ni afi fon yadum light na afi kane ni ho plant is new de behwe mo me pacho mo be den wo de just imagine so wo yekunu ana wo yere ukwa wo so e wo Lower Menya Atua government hospital wo yere ye de oxygen asini so o chema wo ahye wo wani monyam be ma no ahye wo no obusofo nyina ni monyam na fe yadum nkane na plant any ho me pacho wo be feel sen na wo be fam sa ya wo na pesa wo dwen wo na wo de to abatia NDC 2028 anya we John Dramani Mahama bae no mohunu no oba from was service so many years oba from 2024 or so in as 2025 base 2026 me pacho de no wayama Lower Menya constituency Lower Menya fo nyina de pa na wayama mo Atua government hospital de pa na yedra John Dramani Mahama wayama mo bebe hospital ni sikwam nyeso so minim ho Oma famo se mo de mo yesu lawyer unti de mo pemu ya mo de be ye mo e bra so se mo sesa mo nsa no won ne de ma tese mo sene won ne bi ba se yera John Dramani mama ne ndisi mo ngina yi ba mo nuane mo maka mo nka bibi nkyere mo mu no se sabi se man ti intesu kokwa nkyere yera John Dramani man na manyuko omo mfa mo serious e bra ni nie e bra no enie ko me yam hyehye me ma lower manyafo me yam hyehye me ma Atua government hospital workers because you want see nurses for nya adwuma nye doctors nya adwuma nye etika krab no benya adwuma ne so awo ba omutimi nya adwuma fi se dum so je hospital na boso health minister tifie e na odidi e na wo sega na sika health minister a mathematician any background in health. Yera Mahama, are we serious as a country? Ebrenini was yet ye to end this first watching. Our quine passo. Ubo kwan so say to am so tia. Momu say yes, ye nia breso mine. Say you to ni an sorry a. Yera John Dramani Mahama. Oni Jena no pokwadman. Ato forcing Julius Debra any health minister omumfo bu emayen.
Abusan so Metro TV for report say Atua government hospital e wo lower manya municipality. Ya dum kanea wo honom Dumsor because of Dumsor nti ya dum kanea wo honom for 24 hours. Solid 24 hours, a whole day. Ya dum kanea wo honom. Ama omo akọ honom so omo koje ayarehwe. Omo ni atutu aka omo nsem. Omo ayaje omo ato ho for various form of illness. Say they are frustrated that they are going through pain. Ebinum kra na say omo call other hospitals outside lower manya municipality no. Chale asifem a whole 24 hours. No light. Ye dum kania won potem nyina amebia ka government hospital. And it's sickening say a whole government hospital crash wo ni standby generator, omu ni genset bia e be backup. Betimi aso e de ahwa ayarefo a omaba ho ba beje ayarehwe. This is the situation under this useless NDC government. And you see, the funny thing is say lower manya honomo no e NDC for stronghold too. Lower manya, upper manya, yellow crop ninya eho nyina e NDC stronghold ye to aba na wo hwe vote o munya firi honoma enya asem ketwa. Enti NDC aban omu stronghold mpo no omu yo omu sei. Na mo a ebia mo ncheda nto aba ma NDC sa NDC aban the way omu ye wicked mo stronghold pa a won omu to aba ma mo ye ko eastern region ni ese ye hwe constituencies a won to aba ma NDC a lower manyaka ho na so mo hwe abra NDC fu ediom 24 hours solid 24 hours government hospital there is no light and enkrofo a omu akoso omu koje ayarehwe. Some of them will go through pain and go through amani or how. You see how senseless and how useless this government is, how insensitive they are. Just Ghana for him. And Crawford, they've been loyal to NDC. One more to Obama NDC day in, day out. And you see, NDC for Nankasane, they are cash to NDC, but local NDC party no. Because they be a we have serious things are disasters are see happening to Ghana for. And they be a young council muntie. Che ankaban be about power. The first time there, you will see that things will be progressing and near my because you know, near my to turn out kakran. For first 4 years there, that is basically what happens. But NDC power pay. Almost first year, just a disaster calamity for how near bebresa and a baby do Ghana for so much Mahama. Ne first year, last year, and Yama Kesia Yanti been penny some da and a sea war Ghana. Yes, in collab for convention, Omu Kofi, Nani Pabe 18. Omo card ya makwa show hono no mewu. Yes, minister so ma fa plane omo ko baby akwa conference we said then na no so plane de omo akwa show from chese eniema eniema yenti bi da. Ana esisi wo Mahama the first time ene Dumsor asen aba. Dumsor asen aba at the time Ghana for etua Dumsor levy. At the time okoto fuel on every liter of fuel there is Dumsor levy utua 1 Ghana cedis. Dumsor levy. But still, Ghanaians are battling with the Dumsor across the country. We hospital we near a crowd, no one can say be a crowd no crowd. One use power or no more doors into load shedding be a honor chassis way eastern region. And Lower Manya is one of the less populated places at the eastern region. But a whole day, 24 hours, ya dum kania wa hono mama be a government hospital. A government hospital 24 hours, there is no light. Oma koha, oma yari, oma koja yareshe, oma near to come sem. Chale asefem. Enti we sanki ya wa kola fufu bi no da incubate monkey ya kunu. Sesebi anke hono mo ye baby ye surgery ne ye obi surgery anke ya kuni pa wo hono. Chale asefem and Mrs. Chale wo kasa na wa hwe ya be ka ne yenka. Chale